Sabi, stop na daw. Anak ko po, yun na. Nagkatawa na.
My God, where are you, my God?
Kyla. Ayan na kami, sir. What you're doing there?
I think this is the way.
No.
You can walk? You can walk? What is that? Wow. Oh no, are you scared? Are you scared? I'm happy. Wow. That's yummy. That's yummy. Last. Hindi na tayo timbang.
Kayla, what are you doing?
What you doing, Kayla?
Tingnan mo.
Ayoko!
Tingnan mo nga.
Ayoko!
Ayoko kita kasunod.
Ayoko nga!
Nasa ulap. Grabe yung ulap.
Oh, they stopped the cable car.
Oh no, Ruby! They stop! Ruby, stop na daw.
Kidding, see?
See? See? Hindi nababa. Atchang.
We're gonna get stranded here.
Oh. Na-stranded po kami.
Bakit naman na-stranded ka?
Oh, see? Na-stranded dito dinagalaw. Ah! Tingnan mo dito. Oh, dito nagalaw.
Malapit na.
Ay!
You, Robbie?
Malapit na. Kaya ko na yan. Pibigil na.
Tila po, malapit na kaming bumaba. Yung bata ay walang tigil sa likod. Yay!
Makasundoob. Mababa.
Ayan, Sky Park. Sakayan ng tren. Why are you crying? I bite you?
Yeah.
Where? Where am I gonna bite you? Where? Are you tired?
Mommy, you love me.
I love you. Why are you tired? It's hot. It's hot here. Mga restaurant sa ibabaw ng bundok. Ang ganda.
So you have to buy a new card.
How much?
Minimum 10. The maximum is 500. So you can put about 200 ringgit.
100.
It's enough. So you have to put, where is this? Down here.
Gonna put there.
Yeah.
Mommy, hold that.
One accepted 100. So you have inside here the deposit is 2 ringgit. You get it refund later. You just confirm. And you're done. You can collect your card.
And
This is yours.
receipt.
Yeah.
And
your card.
yay!
For shopping.
For shopping.
Shopping for food.
Shopping for foods. Okay. Yan, dumayo siya dito para kumain ulit ng watermelon. Yun lang po kinakain niya. Watermelon. Ang layo-layo ng sinakyan niya.
Look.
Is it yummy? Wow! Is it yummy? Kyla? Is it yummy? Wow! That's our food. Ooh, yummy. Chicken po. Wow, Kyla oh. Kaya ang ginawang tissue niya yung receipt. Kasi wala silang tissue dito. Smart. Nanay, tatay, sarap. Kyo-kyo, and ninang kiki. Oh, how about Kai Kai? Is it yummy, Kai Kai? That's your tissue? Okay. Eto, magre-refund na siya. Insert mo lang yung card mo, sis. Yan. Tapos, full refund, agree. Yan. Tapos, tingnan natin kung ilan ang balance niya pa. Ba, dami mo pa pera, sis. Oh, get your card, cash na daw, sis. Meron ka pa, pati yung resibo. Na-refund niya ay 56. 56 po. Magkano nilagay mo?
100.
Wow!
Ay, ganun siya kakain?
Hindi siya makakain. Nakataas na play.
So this one is the...
Oh no, Matthew! Is it yummy?
And white.
I don't think so.
I told you, it's catfish.
Is it yummy?
Yummy.
Catfish po ay
Yeah.
hito sa Tagalog sa atin. Yan na, natira mga busog na mga Pilipino.
Grabe yung anak mo, nagulong na.
Anak ko po, yun na. Ano na siya dyan, nagkapang-kapang na. Yes, snake daw siya. Yan, tara na ho. Kay, dirty, kay, kami na, dirty. You're a snake. Come on now. Look at your socks, it's dirty now. Come on na. Bumili ka na daw ng ticket. Baka dito. Nag-iisa kay Ted. Uy! Saan ka daw dyan, tita? Saan ka? go, let's go, yay!